Let's use another example that's not ROI. Hey, Tatiana, we're expanding vision and
Hello.
discovery here a little bit.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Um, so what's an example that you guys got yesterday? Like, what was the use case?
Uh,
The most common one is the cottage where they don't have extra space and they need a bunkie for extra space and they have
for the
family
Okay,
family.
visiting.
Yeah.
okay, cool. This one's easy. You want to do it, Brody?
Stress division.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Evan, you be
sure,
the
sure.
prospect. Brody, you be the rep.
I be the prospect?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so
Uh,
help me understand your vision, Hannah. What were you planning on using the space for?
yeah, so we have this cute cottage and it fits about it's like a two-bedroom right now and our family's growing and we have grandkids and we definitely need that extra space. So, I mean, we have the land, we have the space, and it's just a matter of putting something on there now.
Oh, okay, I got you. I got you. That's awesome. How old are the grandkids?
Oh, they're about 4 and 6 right now, and we have one on the way too.
Oh, wow. Okay, so who would be sleeping in the extra space there in the bunkie?
Well, right now it'll be the 4 and 6 year old and their kids when they come to play. So it'll be like a mini playhouse right now.
Oh, that is so cool. Tell me more about that. Like, what's
Mhm.
your vision for the playhouse?
So right now it's just a place to play cards. I mean, they've been playing in the house and it's getting kind of chaotic. So the bunkie will be that space just for them to have fun and yeah,
All right, keep all the rowdiness and the noise in the bunkie, eh? I gotcha.
you got it.
Uh,
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
okay, cool, cool. Um,
How do we get the
I'm
emotion? We got to pull the emotion.
I gotcha. I know I'm trying to think of like,
That's exactly what happens with me. Literally, like I stop at cool, cool, and I'm like, okay, I'll just jump to the next point. Like I don't know how to
Yeah,
I
no, no,
know
we
expand
got
on
to
that
stay.
past that.
sometimes I
We
know,
got
and
to.
sometimes I find trouble where if it's like if I can't think of like a route to go in that
Yeah,
exact situation, then I'll like kind of circle to pain, or I'll go to pain and circle back to vision after once I like find an in. But like
yeah,
I know,
yeah.
of course, I'm trying to get better at like just oh
Hey,
hi
Emery.
Emery.
Hi, cutie.
Sorry for the distraction, guys.
No.
No, I just got saved by the bell, Tatiana. Thank you.
By the Emery belt.
So
All right.
cute.
So, what are some other questions that you can ask, and when you feel like you have something, but you don't feel like you have like a deep, strong emotional vision? What
Yeah.
are questions we can ask? What
Um,
else are you doing at the cottage?
yeah, yeah, fair.
Like, because people go there for some reason, to
Yeah,
relax, to get away, to hike, to bike, to canoe, to fish.
yeah,
Like,
yeah,
they're going there and they're doing
Traditions.
something.
A lot of traditions
yeah.
happen at the cottage.
Well, I can say like, oh,
Traditions.
you're playing like cards and like you're playing games and whatnot in the bunkie or like in that extra space.
Yeah.
Like what other kinds of things do you like to do with your grandchildren, like that kind of thing, or your
Ooh.
children, like yeah, like what kind of stuff would yeah,
How
that
long
might be a
how,
good
how
one because
long
it's
has the
thinking of
cottage been in your family?
true,
That's a big
yeah,
one.
um,
Right? 10 years? Oh, 10 years? What? Or 20 years, right?
lots of
Oh, no
memories
way.
there,
Tell me more
Yeah.
about that. Like, what are your fondest memories, right? So we could expand, we could be here for 20 minutes talking just about the vision and expanding it. So I just want you guys to
yeah,
like kind of use this as an exercise to like start exercising that muscle,
for sure,
because what's happening
Good job.
is we're asking service level questions, and that's what setters do. Setters are
yeah,
doing surface level one, maybe two, and they're just qualifying. And if we're doing the same thing that a setter did on the call, it's like redundant, it's repetitive, right?
fair,
And in that case, then it's like, well, what's the point? So if we're asking someone the same question, we have to expand upon it in different ways so that they don't feel like they're just checking boxes. Because at this point, they got asked that question 4 times on the intake form, on the setter call, on the call with you, and it's like, I told you this is for extra space in my car. It's like, yeah, I get it, but like, why? Why? right?
Yeah.
So just like really dig for that emotion behind it. And I think if you guys hold firm in vision, like do not move on. And I think Tatiana, for you as well, it's like practicing that exercise and holding firm and like until you almost have goosebumps because their vision is so emotional.
Mhm,
That's when you know, like, ah, I got it. Okay, cool. Now let's move on.
mhm.
And then you're going to the next section.
Yeah, yeah, I agree with that for sure.
Yeah,
It's
there are
really easy to go service level check, 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 check. That's
Yeah.
easy. And we can all do that. You guys are already doing that.
Yeah. It's easy with folks who are naturally talkative and expressive, but it's the ones who are like logical or closed off almost that you have to pull teeth. Um,
Yeah.
but it's good exercise for for
I
that
find
case.
even more like just like business forward people as well. Like they're
Mhm.
just kind of wanting, it's like they're very like transactional, I guess you could call them,
Yeah.
where they're just kind of very like, okay, like this is what I want. I need the information. Thank you for the information. Okay, I'll buy the monkey or I won't, or whatever the case may be. I find it, those
Yeah.
guys, I find it harder to do more discovery or like find a pain because yeah, it's like, would there be a pain, Chris, like with those people? Like
They're
it's
businessmen. They've been
oh sure,
emotionally
baby.
closed off their whole lives, okay?
Yeah. Well,
The
but
therapist
business
could
for
find the
me,
pain.
business is easy because business, anyone, this is the example that we just did with Brody, which is like, I'm a DJ, I need a space to produce
Mm,
music. So then we just go, oh, okay, cool, what type of music? Oh, and you just expand up ultimately till you start talking about money. So any business person, you have to basically go like, okay, cool, this is an ROI opportunity. We need to expand up to dollars, right? We need to expand up to how much you want to make, why you want to make it, why that's important to you, why this, out of all different business models, why
right.
this one in particular, right? And like you just
Hmm.
expand that up and you will get an emotional reason. You will. But you have to go
Hmm.
logic first, right? So
Okay.
Hey, by the way, my name is Chris Sanchez and I build predictable, elite, and fully systemized sales teams. I've helped clients generate over $54 million in revenue and ramped countless sales reps using the approach that I call the sales team operating system. What you just watched was a real sales team OS session that I pulled from a live client. If you want to see exactly how I run, manage, and scale elite 8-figure sales teams, don't click away just yet. In this next video right here, there's another Sales Team OS breakdown where I go deeper into the building, coaching, managing elite reps. Go ahead and click it and enjoy. Cheers.